I'm gonna be dyeing my hair, building a Lego set, and eating a Lunchable. And not just any Lunchable, the chicken nugget Lunchable. Oh yeah, this is part 2. I also haven't uploaded on the biscotti since the other one. So this is our Lunchable for today. It's called the Chicken Dunks, and it has an Oreo with it. Do I put the Oreo in the ketchup? That's for you to decide later. And then I also have women's hair dye, of course. I need to make sure I have stuff for a thumbnail also. Was that good? I think that second face is really good. Okay. But then I have 3 Lego sets to choose from today. I have 3, and they go from small, medium to large, so we can decide together. Because it's actually Tuxedo Cat. My friend got this for me for Secret Santa. I don't even have this cat in real life. His face got decimated. We have, I'll show the small one. This isn't really a Lego set. It's like off-brand Lego, but it's a flower, and I thought it was really cute, so I bought it from Five Below. The one we're probably gonna build. Bird. Birdie. Yeah, my mom got me this for my birthday last year. It's almost been a full year. This has sat under my futon for like a year. So, cast your vote right now in chat and let me know what you think I should. Can you just spam chat with like medium? Bro. Dude, okay. Chat has spoken. Chat has spoken. Anyway, like I did last time, we're not using the instructions. Why would I do that? That doesn't make any sense. Now, is it 30 minutes? I threw the instructions. Because they have letters on them, A and B. And this is probably C, you would think. So, B in the A. B in the A. She be in my A till I see. Oh! Let's just get this in there. Oh. 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 Sorry guys, I have so many things open. Oh. Chat, can you please type one if you're uncomfortable? Type 2 if you want me to end the stream. Wait, was I supposed to put this in with the B? Well, it's too late now. Oh my god. Alright. Now, is it 30 minutes? I threw the instructions. I fully threw the instructions. I actually don't know. I'm gonna say it's 30 seconds, so we're actually gonna set a timer. Wait, did I say 30 seconds? So I'm actually gonna take my headphones off, so I'm not gonna be able to hear you. Okay? Alright, they're off. Don't say anything weird. Don't be weird. Did I get it all, guys? I have to look back at my stream. Watching me watch. Alright, well now it's time for this. It's time for the chicken dunks. It's dinner time. Oh wait, I gotta set a timer. Oh, close. I just set a 4-hour timer. It's like, dang, my head is burning like crazy. When is this timer gonna go? Oh my god. 4 nuggets? 4? I get 4 cold chicken nuggets. And 2 Oreos. And then I get ketchup. And I only recently started liking ketchup, so. I don't know, whenever I tried it, like, way long ago, I really hated it. And then recently, like, 2 months ago, I tried it again. Oh, hey, Hashi, what's up? It says Lunchables on the Oreo. Nugget coin nugget right here. Should I bring it up here, maybe? For a little taste test? Little taste test action. All right, ready? Should I go raw first and then do the ketchup or what? Leave your answers in the comments down below. Was that sus? Oh, fuck. I got it all over my fucking... God damn it, dude. There's so much ketchup. All right, ready? The ketchup's really sweet. The fact that I only give you 4 nuggets in this whole thing is kind of crazy. I'm on my last one. All right, dessert time. Dessert round. Do I make a double stuffed Oreo where you put 2 like this? Bang. And then look, I got an Oreo thin on the other side. Oreo thin going in. That rhymed. Wait.
This guy is a lyrical genius.
Oh, the chicken nuggets, like a 6 out of 10. They were pretty mid. This just tastes like a lesser Oreo. So, I mean, 7. I don't like Oreos that much, though. We have 24 minutes to build the Lego set. Oh, yeah. How many bags is that? How many bags is that guy at? That's actually crazy. What do you mean 20? Dude, that timer is gonna go off, and I'm actually gonna jump, throw my Lego set on the floor, and get scared. Yo. It's going off. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, alright guys, you ready? It's really black. 3, 2, 1. It's really black, and it's also really wet. Low-key messing with it, though. That's the worst dream ever. To anyone trying to be an electrician, and that's your dream, give up. Try something else. Dude, Gru is like a beautiful person. Can I just say? He really took those girls under his wing and he was like, wait, why did he get children? What the fuck was the plot of that movie? No, I'm being serious. Why did Gru take those children? Like, actually, what was the reason behind that? Did they ever disclose that? Yeah, bro, I'm gonna get a bunch of kids, force them to do something they might not want to do. I'm also gonna steal the moon also, anyway. Oh, sorry. I'm building. This is my birdie. He has a little fish here. Nah. I'm gonna end it here. Cause I have to edit this. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys have a good night. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Fucking stop streaming. Ended with this is